Alright boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So we have Citizen Soldier, a new group for us in this channel, and with their new song called Bedroom Ceiling. This one is very easy, so that is nice, very nice. We need to set our capo here on the 2nd fret. Let's go. 4 chords only to learn here. So the first chord will be C, but with an E in the bass. And what we do there, we will start here with an open E. That's the E in the bass there. So open E, then 3rd on A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord will be A minor. So open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have G. So 3rd on E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And the final chord will be F. So you need to bar all strings here on the 1st fret, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd G. Yeah, so those are the chords. So let's start with the verse first. We have the chord progression A minor, F, then this C with E in the bass, and G. And you're gonna play this chord progression for 4 rounds, and you only play 1 downstroke for each chord. And notice there, pair up the A minor with F and the C, E with the G. So you won't play evenly like this. You will play A minor and F together, and there's a shorter break there, or a longer break than between A minor and F, and then comes the C, E with the G. So the rhythm is like this. So you see, it goes faster between A minor and F, and between C, E, and G. You play that for 4 rounds, and that leads us to the chorus. Here, the chords will be F, C, G, A minor, and G. That is 1 chord progression. You will play this chord progression for 4 rounds, and you're gonna play 2 times on the F, then 2 on the C, then 2 on the G, then 1 A minor and 1 G. So 4 rounds. And so on. Yeah, 4 rounds, and then we are at the 2nd verse. It's played in the same way as the 1st verse. And then comes the 2nd chorus. It's played again in the same way as the 1st chorus, except from the last time there. This chorus ends on a G. And after you play this 4th round of the G, you will play F, 4 downs. So it ends with G, A minor, G, and then F. You add 1 F, 4 downs. That's a bridge to the bridge parts. So the bridge part starts in the lyrics, "Let me be alone," because I've already found the perfect therapist. Okay, so that's the bridge part. The chord progression there will be F, A minor, and G. You will play 4 downs on F, 2 on A minor, and 2 on G. This will go on for 4 rounds. A minor, G, 3rd round, A minor, G, G, F, 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 A minor, and on the last G on this 4th round, you only play 1 down. There's a break there, and that leads us to the final chorus. And the final chorus here, it's played in the exact same way as the other choruses, the first chorus, 4 rounds. And that ends this calm and great song from Citizen Soldier called Bedroom Ceiling. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, let me know that and show that as well. Be a subscriber, thumb up, like this one. Yeah, let me know what you think about my tutorials. If they are helpful, then yeah, I'm happy. If not, let me know what I can do better. So, see you soon, guys. And don't forget, play tuned.